Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved on the Nintendo Switch. Ark is an expansive survival game where you explore a prehistoric world, gather resources, craft tools, and build bases. The most exciting part is taming over 100 unique dinosaurs and other creatures. This guide focuses on the definitive way to enjoy this epic adventure on your portable console, bringing the full experience to your fingertips. The definitive way to play Ark on the Nintendo Switch is through the Ultimate Survivor Edition. This comprehensive package includes the original game along with its 3 massive expansion packs: Scorched Earth, Aberration, and Extinction. This version was completely rebuilt and optimized for the Switch, offering a much smoother experience with improved graphics and performance compared to earlier releases, ensuring a more enjoyable journey through its vast worlds. On the Switch, Ark's core gameplay loop remains thrilling and engaging. You'll start by punching trees and gathering basic resources, quickly progressing to crafting advanced tools and weapons. The heart of the game is taming creatures. You can ride a mighty T-Rex or fly on a pteranodon. Building a secure base is crucial to protect yourself and your valuable tames from the island's many dangers and other players. For new survivors on the Ark, a few tips can make your initial hours much smoother. Always start in a relatively safe green zone, typically near the coast, to avoid immediate threats. Focus on gathering basic resources like wood, stone, and fiber to craft your first tools and shelter. Taming a low-level utility creature, such as a dodo for eggs or a Lystrosaurus for bonus experience, will significantly aid your early progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.